Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add currency in HubSpot. By default, HubSpot use USD as the main currency. But if your business works across different countries, you need to add multiple currencies. So for that, let's start. Go to settings, then click on account defaults and open the currency tab. Now click on add currency. Select your currency from the drop down and click save. If you want to change recently added currency as your main company currency, then over to that currency, click on actions and select set as a company currency and click save. HubSpot also provide automatic exchange rate updates. By default, this should be enabled, and here you can set it monthly, quarterly and yearly. Daily updates are not available, and for this automatic exchange rate frequency, I will create a detailed video later on, but for now just remember this. If you don't want automatic updates, you can disable that and add manually exchange rate to your currency. For that, what you need to do, you just need to hover to that currency, click on action and select edit exchange rate. Here you can add your exchange rate and click on save. If you want to remove this currency, you just need to click on archive and archive currency. Done. One important thing, if you change your default currency, existing deals won't update automatically. So you may need to adjust them manually, and that's it. That's how you manage your currency in HubSpot. If you're following my HubSpot series, make sure to subscribe and follow for more simple tutorials. Thank you.